Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this holographic French tips nail art. It's super easy and I did this nail art to both of my hands nails. So now let's get started. First, I'm applying my favorite peel-off base coat. Then after letting the first coat to dry, I'm applying another. Then after that, I'm applying a sheer powder pink shade onto my nails. And this will serve as my base polish. And after letting the first coat to dry, I'm applying another coat of this base polish. Then when your base polish is dry, grab a piece of cosmetic sponge and apply your favorite holographic top coat on it. Then dab it onto the tips of your nail. Then repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the holographic appearance you wanted. After all of that, seal your holographic French tip design with a thick coat of glossy top coat. And that's how I did this nail art. It's super easy, right? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And make sure to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!